The 10 best Instagrams to follow if you're going paleo. I'm a paleo convert who certainly loves the way eating like a cavewoman makes me feel, but even I'll admit, there's only so much grilled chicken, eggs, and sweet potato you can eat before you want to chuck a drumstick at the wall. I actually cried once when I smelled my roommate's toast because sometimes all you want is toast. But now I'm a pro. I realize all the crazy wonderful shit you can whip up with veggies, fruits, meat, eggs, nuts, and seeds, thanks in large part to some awesome Instagrammers who've inspired me to make everything from cauliflower crust pizza to sweet potato brownies to the most kick-ass coffee banana smoothie imaginable. So if you're new to paleo or just need a little reminder of how awesome clean eating can be, follow these folks for some truly inspirational food porn. Nom Nom Paleo. Michelle Tam, author of the insanely popular blog, and now cookbook, Nom Nom Paleo, has been dubbed the Martha Stewart of paleo, and for good reason. Paleo MG. Julie Bauer is a paleo queen. Her IG is basically a preview of all the drool-worthy recipes she posts to her insanely hilarious blog Paleo MG. Bonus, she's super fashionable and fit, and her killer gams will totally motivate you to keep up this whole clean eating thing. Oh, and her really cute dog often makes an appearance. Certified Paleo. Follow this IG and you can keep up to date on the latest products that receive the Certified Paleo seal, because sometimes you just need something quick and easy that you know contains only paleo-approved ingredients. The Paleo Fix. This sports chiropractor, functional medicine practitioner, and CrossFit coach will show you how to eat paleo for top performance. Ilana's Pantry. Ilana Amsterdam of the popular paleo blog Ilana's Pantry will help you get your grain-free carb fix. Eat Drink Paleo. This paleo cookbook author and blogger who splits her time between Australia and the UK takes some of the prettiest paleo pics of all time. I swipe through her feed instead of meditating. Paleo Foodies. Wait, scratch that, these actually might be the prettiest paleo pics of all time. These two awesome Aussies run the paleo lifestyle site Paleo Foodies and will even teach you how to make your own bacon. This couple has lost some major weight doing the uber strict version of paleo known as Whole30. Their meals look super doable yet downright delicious, examples of what people who aren't pro bloggers can pull off. Simple green smoothies. While not technically a paleo Instagram, many of these blends contain only paleo-approved ingredients. Plus, if you're anything like me, you'll find all the pretty colors kind of therapeutic. Diane Sanfilippo. Diane was actually the person who inspired me to go paleo in the first place. She responded to all of my desperate tweets back in 2012 when I was dealing with some mystery health issues. She's a best-selling author and travels the country talking about the nutritional perks of going primal.